Okay, our last starter is the Align It tool. And I'll admit this one has been a little bit tricky for me, and I don't usually use things like this. So I'm learning it right along with you here. I'm going to click Next, and it says select all of the box shapes by holding Shift on the keyboard. So I am going to click the first box. I'm going to hold down the Shift button and click the second and the third box. So you can see over here, it's already on the Shapes button, but we actually want to be over here under Align to get that toolbox to show up. Okay? So what they want us to do is practice pressing on these Align tools to get them to align differently. So if we come over, you can kind of see that they're all three in a different way. But if I click, for example, this one, they will all align up in a different pattern. So I'm going to try lining them all up like this. I'm going to try lining them all up like this. I don't think that's how they wanted me to do it. They wanted me to spin it a different direction. So, oops, that put them all back together. So maybe I will undo this and go back to where they were all clicked together and try again, because everything it doesn't work perfectly for me the first time. So I'm going to click the Align tool again, and oops, I'm going to back up here to pay better attention so that I can align them up according to this first one. So I think I'm going to try instead this one here, and then I'm going to try this one here. There we go. That got them to where I wanted them to be. So now if I rotate this, you can see they've all lined up together. So have fun trying that one out.